kiddos, it's Kerry here and I hope you are all doing good. Today our video is going to be all about science, and I wonder if any of the boys and girls at home have heard the word science before. Science is all around us. Boys and girls, science is in everything you see, and science is in you, and science is in me. And when you look up at the stars, can we all look up high? When we look up at the stars at night, that is science too. Science is in your eyes. Can you point to your eyes? Well done. Science is in our tummies. Can you all point to your tummy buttons, your stomach? Well done. Science is in the trees, in flowers, and even animals. Science is everywhere. And speaking of animals, I have my dog Lucy with me today. Would you like to meet her? Good. She's having a little snooze, so let's see if I can wake her up. I've got a dog treat. Are you ready? Lucy, come up. Here she's here. Hi, Lucy. Lucy likes to join in all my science experiments, and she's here for this one too. There we are. Come close. There we are. Hi, Lucy. So science is even in Lucy too. Now, boys and girls at home, you make the best scientists ever. And would you like to know why? Lucy, children make the best scientists because you like to ask questions. Lots and lots of questions, like this. Children might ask, who is that? Who is it? Children might ask, why is the grass green? Where is this little mouse going? And I don't know if you can see, but there's a butterfly here, and you might ask, how does a butterfly fly? See, you ask lots and lots of great questions, and that's what makes you a great scientist. You observe things. So, our science experiment today, Lucy, is going to be a bit like a magic trick. So, I've got 2 plates. I've got an empty bottle, and I've made sure I've cleaned it. And I've also got some eggs. I wonder what we're going to do. Now, if you can be watching at home, or if you're joining in, you might have something like this. Your bottle might be a different colour, or you might have bowls instead of plates. But I've got plates so that you can see. And let me turn you around a little bit so you can see Lucy. There we are. She has been an observer as well. So what we're going to do is we are going to crack an egg. Now you can crack it any way you like. You might want to crack it on the edge of a bowl. You might have a fork or a knife. Let's give Lucy a treat. She's been really good. Well done. So I'm going to use a wee knife, and I would definitely encourage at home adults, if children are joining in with the experiment, let them have a go at cracking. And it's going to get messy, and that's okay, because we don't mind the mess, because we can always tidy it up. So we don't need the knife, so we move that out the way. Oh, I think Lucy likes the egg. She actually does like eggs. Right, so we have, can you see? A wobbly egg. So this orange bit is called the yolk, and the gooey stuff around it, it's very good for you. It's called the white. Now here comes science. We, without using my hands to pick it up, we are going to make the yolk, that's the orange bit, move from this plate to that plate without picking it up with my actual hands. Do you think I can do it? Do you think you can do it? Oh, good. Right, are you ready, Lucy? Are you ready? She's over here now. Are we ready? So we're going to take our bottle. Let me make sure you can see. There we are. And we're going to squeeze all the air out of your bottle. So we have it upside down because it's empty. I'm going to squeeze the air out and then put it over the egg. And can we see? egg is disappearing. And I'm going to lift the bottle up, take it over to the plate, and squeeze it. Boys and girls, yes, I did it. We did it. I managed to make the yolk move from this plate to that plate without picking it up with my hands. Let's have a look. So now we have two. So we have just the orange bit on this plate and the wobbly white on this plate. And what happened there, boys and girls, was science. We took a bottle and we squeezed out all the air. All right, so we squeezed out all the air pressure. And then what happened was when I put it then over the yolk, the bottle wanted to suck in all the air again. So instead of sucking in the air, it took in the yolk. How cool is that? Let's have a practice with your mouth. Just like the bottle, you blew out all your air. And then you want to take a breath in. So you suck up the egg. And then you blew it back out. That is science. Now we'll try and have another go. I don't know if I can do it again. Shall we try? Let's breathe out all the air. Suck it back in. Breathe out. Ta-da! Wow! Well done. We are true scientists. Now, nothing goes to waste because at Bardykes Farm Nursery School, we're all about sustainability. So, it's almost lunchtime for me. It's almost going to be lunchtime for all of us soon, or maybe even snack time. So, I might do something to make this egg delicious. So, at home, I hope you would like to join in this experiment. Don't worry if you don't have these bits and bobs with you today. You can maybe pick them up another time, and this video will always be here for you to do. But boys and girls, this is a really nice one that you can join in at home because I think you would be really good at squeezing this bottle and picking up the egg yolk as well. So well done. You are all scientists because you asked the best questions and you observed. And that's what you've done today, boys and girls. With Lucy, who's now going for a sleep, you have observed around you and you have hopefully learned something really, really cool, a new party trick. So thank you very much for joining in today, boys. True scientists, we have covered our science part of our activity and I hope you've had lots of fun. Don't forget to let me know in the comment box who's with me today, and if anyone has a little try, let me know how it goes. And if you don't decide to take part in the activity, you've still learned so much by observing this video and participating that way. So well done. Now tomorrow is going to be our last video of this week, and I hope you've all had lots and lots of fun. And tomorrow we are going to go on a scavenger hunt. We're going to be going around our community or in your garden or maybe just out your front doorstep, wherever it is you live, and we're going to be doing science. We're going to be observing. So we're going to do a part of our mindfulness tomorrow, and we're going to be very mindful, and we're going to go out and have a little look around our community and look for some items. So have a lovely night, have a lovely day, stay safe, and boys and girls, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.